So how do you add a web page to your favorites on a Safari on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss anything important. So first of all, you can open up your Safari like that. I'm running the latest version of iOS, which is iOS 26.1. But in order to add a web page to the favorites, make sure it's opened and fully loaded, and then tap on the three dots next to the URL, right? So you can see I have the option to add it to favorites right away. So it kind of depends on your folders within the bookmarks, but you can, if you don't see the favorites right away, just click on add bookmark to, and you'll be able to select the location. So you can see that if you have more folders and more places on your like Safari in terms of like the organization of bookmarks, you'll be able to select the folder where you want to put in, right? So you can choose the favorites or a custom one. So in order to manage them, tap on the three dots and tap the bookmarks right here. And here you get to browse your individual folders. You have the ability to click on more, create a new folder, right? So that's kind of how it works. That's how you can organize it. And yeah, that's where you can find it. So I have my favorites here, but if you do not, then you can also save it to somewhere else. However, it also works that you can tap on the button next to the URL, so not the three dots, but the rectangle with the lines. And this also gives you the ability to click on the three dots here and add it to favorites right away, or add a bookmark to different bookmark folders. So you have like more methods of doing that. So I would really appreciate your feedback if you'll let me know if you actually managed to make it work. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss upcoming tutorials and videos like this. And I'll see you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.